I'm going to do a little bonus hunt this morning. I've deposited £1,000 onto this casino. I'm going to play at all different stakes, probably say £2 at average. Probably start with Megaways. In fact, I'll start with Genie Jackpot Megaways. I will bring you back to any decent wins or when he comes out of the old lantern, and then of course any bonuses will all be played at the end. Hopefully we can get, I want to target 7 to 10 I'll be happy with. So yeah, let's see how we do. First lot of 100 autos just coming to an end. It's not done a thing until he's popped out. Always the way. I'll go left. See, this was really good to me yesterday. Looked like it was going to be really good, but I guess missing that one as well, wasn't it? But either way, I only just cut that back, so it's to say I was starting off another 100 autos. So yeah, it's not really done much damage to the balance then because of that. I'll set it off for another 100 and hope to get a bonus in there. The Genie is back out. I always go for the left when I'm picking it myself. Wild Megaways. $86 puts us back over our starting balance and still going for that bonus. Third time out for the Genie. We only had a few spins left of the 200 or so. Wild Megaways again. So I wanted the middle one. I like that one. I look rubbish. £3. Typical. I'll set it off for another 50 because it was coming near the end of 200 spins. It knocks off the auto plays every time that comes in. So yeah, I'll do another 50. I mean, if not, I'll move on. So the last 3 spins on Genie Jackpots Megaways, it's had about 250. But unfortunately no bonus, so I will try another slot for now. It's not decimated the balance, it's taken about £85. It's been on £2 ago, so it's not the end of the world. Yeah, so I'll find another slot. Next up, we're going to go on to a book game. £2 ago, Book of Oz. It's got no autoplay that I can see on here, so I'm just going to play it down to maybe like a bottom line of like 800 and hopefully get a bonus before that happens. Brought you back because look at the balance. I've still not got a bonus. I've just been spinning this middle reel that it's just not coming in. So I'm just showing you what a nightmare this can be if you do this. I thought, oh, that'd be nice and easy. I'll spin that a few times. Don't want to come in. Once it's had about 20 spins and some. £500 bottom line on this, and then that'd be £500 done with no bonuses. Everyone else seems to spin missing easy. Under 500 now. 400 bottom line. Just to see how ridiculous this can be. Oh, how they you? That was ridiculous. What did that cost? £460 or something? £470 that cost to get that. So yeah, I brought you back just to show, don't be a knob like me and spin that too much. I'll find another slot. Next up is Boom Pirates. Another one that's no autoplay. I'm guessing that's meant to be autoplay, but it doesn't work when I click on it, so someone tell me what I'm doing wrong. So yeah, I'll play this for bonus. Bottom line, no idea. See how it goes. Hopefully we'll start to get a few bonuses, or this will be pretty embarrassing. Nice quick bonus on Boom Pirates. It's at, the base game's at £2 a go, but it's got that 50% increase thing, so it was actually £3 a go. And we actually made about 20 quid on that, so we needed that after the absolute disaster that was Book of Oz. So yeah, that's 2 bonuses saved. If we get a third one quite quickly, it will start to become a little bit more respectable. Next up is King Kong Cash. We'll do this on £2. In theory, you'd think this one is an easy one to bonus, but it seems to be a nemesis for me because I can never bonus it. But yeah, it should be easy in theory, although hopefully this time. Probably third or fourth time lucky for me on this. First spin, he scratched his ass, and out comes the Banana Wilds. Again, I'm not sure, should I be cutting back to this? Probably not. No, I really shouldn't have done. Yeah, obviously that's the first press. Back to where I was going to do something else. £6.80. Setup's a bit crap, isn't it? Right, yeah, still obviously on for that bonus. We have a bonus on Kong. Didn't cost much to get, 30 quid. So we're starting to get a little bit better now. Next up is a Dragonfall. This one will be at £2. I'll give it at least 100. And you know, score any decent wins or a bonus, and I'll bring you back to it. Final couple of spins now on Dragonfall. It's taken about 120 odd quid, but unfortunately no bonus unless it does it in the next 2. That's the biggest tease I've had. Biggest win I've had and all. Oh, one more. No, I thought it was. There's so much opportunity for it there. But okay, 60 quid, 60 quid. So it's not been as bad as I was saying in my sum up. But yeah, no bonus still. We'll go and try another one. Up next, Fishing Frenzy Megaways. Do it £2 go. Set it off 300 autos. And you know the rest, you'll see any action. Hopefully. Just bonus number 4 if it comes in though. But yeah. Very quick bonus. Very quick bonus on Fishing Frenzy. It cost £17 and it took 2 minutes. So we're going to do another Megaways now. A Safe Cracker. And yeah, £2 to go. Bonus hunt. First tease. But no. Yeah, so we're 50, well, coming up to 50 spins in. Not got bonus yet, about £50 down. That's pretty standard. I'll give it 200 or 300 spins. And yeah, I quite like this game, so hopefully I will get a bonus. First 100 autos done, about 110 down. I'm going to set it off for a second lot of 100 spins. We have a bonus on Safe Cracker. And help me if I'm on the right screen. So yeah, a bonus on Safe Crackers. It's starting to look a bit more respectable now. We've got 205 left to get one more bonus. That cost about 150-ish. Something like that. Yeah, so hopefully we get another bonus and it starts a little bit more respectful after that disaster on Book of Oz. I'm going to do the balance on Bonanza. I know it's unlikely to get a bonus, but if it does, I normally play pretty decent on this. So I thought I'll do the last 200 quid on this and hope for the best. We actually got a bonus on Bonanza and it cost 50 quid. Wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Took me by surprise. So all of a sudden we've got 6 bonuses now. And I'm going to have a look through the games on here. See what there is and find another one. Next up, I'm going to play Dancing Drums. This is one of my favourites from Vegas in Australia. I know it's not one that's really played here, so it's a bit different. That's the best I can get the screen as well. I can't change it. Hopefully I'll get a bonus and hopefully it will save. And if I do get a bonus, I always take the most volatile option of 3 spins. So hopefully 150 quid to get it. £1.76 a go because it's weird amounts. So that's as close as 2 quid as I could get. And we have a bonus. 7 spins in. That counts as a bonus symbol. Nice, that cost £12. Nice and quick. So we started off on Genie Jackpots, which was the first game I did this morning. But unfortunately I couldn't bonus it earlier. So I thought with remaining 140 quid, I will see if my luck's any better on this second time round. If not, it will be the bonuses. That'd be a good start. Yeah, if not, it will be the bonuses straight after this. Bonus hunt time. So by some miracle, we've ended up with 7. After a disastrous start, thanks to Book of Oz. So the list is £2 to go Book of Oz, £3 to go Boom Pirates, but I think the base game's at £2. I think you pay the extra £1 for enhanced something or other. £2 King Kong Cash, £2 Fishing Frenzy Megaways, also £2 Safe Cracker Megaways and Bonanza, and I think it's £1.76 Dancing Drums because it's one of them funny 88 games which has weird bet amounts. So we'll start obviously on Book of Oz. Hopefully the games are all bonus hunt friendly. Jacks, lovely. Nice to see some though. Not even an expansion yet. Nine spins in, no expansion on jacks. And 3 at the end, that was useful. Considering that cost 500 odd quid. £36. That was worth a wait. I won't be playing that again. Well, I've only got 29, or was some of it a base hit? Some of it was probably a base hit then. It's only put 29, that's awful. Right, anyway, stop moaning. Boom, pirates. Go on, knock some of them out. Thank you. Knock some more out.
Fire in the hole!
Just knocked them all out. Wow. 10 million megaways. Wonderways. Let's get a premium going to work us. Two more at it. Oh, that's disappointing with all them 10 million Wonderways. A little bit disappointing, isn't it? 180. King Kong Cash next. Empire. No idea, it's 3 up, so we'll take them. At least we get a bonus, won't we? So we need to get some wilds, man. Guessing 3 of them trophy things as well to go up. Looks like a good start. Actually, gambled and got mystery prize. It'd been better than this shit. £13.40. That is also never being played again. Fishing Frenzy. So this is a bit kinder. Got there about 50 odd quid, 60 quid. Oh yeah. Not too bad, I guess. Plus that. Oh, that's nice. £60. Biggest one so far, £212 on that. But we're still 550 odd quid down. But we've got 3 more bonuses to go. Next one is Safecracker. Now this lags, whatever site I'm on, when it starts to get into the spins, it really starts to lag, and I don't know why. But it happens every time without fail. Sums up my night, I think. Well, at least you won't have a lag, because it's not going to get many spins. Oh, it's lagging now. £65.80. No comment. Alright. Bonanza next. Turn this volume down first. Sorry if I put it too loud, too quiet, but I know how loud this game is. Nice. Nice multiplier. I can't skip this, by the way. Not that I know of. Red on the second. Imagine that would have been alright. £43 just for that. Last one. Some diamonds would have been lovely. Diamond on front. Imagine might have been quite nice there. 243 though. That's the best one so far. Final one is Dancing Drums. Hopefully this is going to be there. Okay, so I always pick, like I said earlier, I always pick the most volatile one, which is 3 spins. The 3 is in number 3. Can be really awful though if nothing hits. Like that. And that. And that. That was awful. Really awful. But that can be really good. I've had hand pays in Vegas off that, off a couple of dollars. But if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. $7.59, pretty disappointing really. Especially Book of Oz, £36, King Kong Cash, £13, and Safecracker at £65. It was all at £2 to go. Safecracker Megaways. That's not an easy one to bonus. You can't win them all, but yeah, a couple of them won't be ever being played again. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to watch live streams from April, I'll be on Twitch at 7neighbours. Thanks again for watching.